Hello dear students of class 5, this is Samreen here and today I'm going to start lesson number 24 in this video, the adverb. So please open page number 106. Yes students, so this is the chapter, the adverb. What is an adverb? First we need to understand words, or we can say an adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective. For example, you can see in that pink box that she played happily. So she means the girl played is a verb, happily. So how she played? Happily. So happily is what? Adverb. Okay. Next, for example, the driver stopped the bus suddenly. Okay, so the driver stopped the bus. How the driver stopped the bus? Suddenly. Okay, so these are the examples how we have to, means how we add adverbs in the sentences. Okay, next we will study about the kinds of adverbs. So first we will study about adverbs of manner. Okay, means how the action happens. Okay, means the manner of the action. So the boy slept soundly. How the boy slept? Soundly. So this is adverb of manner. These students write badly. So how they wrote actually, or how they write badly. Okay, next one is adverb of place. So adverb of place is means where the action happen. Okay, happens. So first one is come here. Okay, so here is what? Adverb of place. Next, the bus goes there. There is adverb of place. Okay, means for example here, there, abroad, out, everywhere. These words, what they do, they tell us where the action happen. Okay, or the actions happen. Next we will study about adverb of time. So adverb of time, here it is, we arrived early, means in the next day. When did they arrive actually? When? Early. Then where are you living now? Means they are asking the time. Okay, then the train is departing soon. So these words are indicating time. Okay, like early, now, soon, today and tomorrow, they tell us when the actions happen. Okay, when. And adverb of place tell us what? The adverb of place tells us where the action happens. Next one, D, adverb of frequency. Frequency, what frequency tells us? That how often the action is, means the action happens or happening. So the sentence is, my brother always tells the truth, means how many times or how he or she, whomsoever, here it is written my brother tells the truth, means always. Next, we seldom watch TV these days. So seldom means they means how often the action, or how often they are watching TV. So seldom. Then she is rarely seen in public nowadays. So very rarely she is seen in public. Okay, so words like always, seldom, rarely, regularly and never, they tell us how often someone does something, or how often something takes place. Okay, so they are called adverb of frequency. Understood? Means how often. Next one is adverb of degree. So degree means how much. Means he is very intelligent. He is very intelligent. This rope is too short. Okay, means the degree tells us that the extent of anything. All right. Please turn the page. This is, for example, their house is quite small. So words like very, too, quite, almost and thoroughly, and something to the meaning, add something to the meaning of the adjectives. Okay, adjectives. So for example, small is adjective, so quite. So they added like flawless, okay, and we got thoroughly wet in the rain. So these words, they are called adverb of degree. Understood? Next one is interrogative adverbs. So interrogative adverbs, for example, how, when, means whenever we ask question, but they are categorized actually in 4 parts. For example, here you can see, how does it work? Okay, so this is adverb of manner, that how does it work. Then when can I see you, this is adverb of time. Then where do you live, this is adverb of place. And why were you late, this is adverb, or we can say a kind of reason. Okay, so in these sentences the words how, when, where, why, ask questions, they are called interrogative adverbs. Now come to exercise number A. You have to recognize the adverbs in the following sentences, okay, and I'll tell you the type also. So first, in first sentence, quietly, you can see here, quietly, adverb of manner. Okay, the student studied hard, adverb of manner. They stayed there, adverb of place, for a month. Then the bus stops here, adverb of place. I shall complete my homework soon. Soon is adverb of time. Then my friend wrote to me yesterday. What is that? Adverb of time. Next, he rarely plays tennis. This is what? Adverb of frequency. Then he often goes to we often go there. That is also frequency. So likewise you have to complete. The story is almost false. This is what? Almost is adverb here, and the instructions were rather complicated. Rather is the what? Adverb. So you have to just underline and fill here where blanks are there. Next one is exercise number B, where what you have to do, adverb of time. There are words, okay, unscramble letters. What we have to do, we have to make it properly. We have to arrange these adverb of, means these letter, to make adverb of time. So likewise you have to do, first we will do across. So across one, for example, second one is while, then last, then since is also here, you can see these are, okay, then early, when, okay, and one more is there, later, later, this one, 10th one. Next we will do down. So in down we will see first one here, yesterday, okay, where it is, yesterday, then next, then here it is, before, tomorrow, first, and after. So these are the down ones. Okay, now turn the page. We will complete learners drill also. This one, already options are there upside and pictures are also there. You have to put numbers also here. What we will do, that we have to choose the correct word. You may choose different words also. Different means suppose you want to write in second sentence like never, I'm never rude, okay, so you can choose this one. It's not compulsory that you have to write what I have written, okay, it can be anything. First one is I always do my homework, okay. Next one is I'm rarely rude. Next one is I often go out with my friends. Next one is I usually ride a bicycle on weekends. Next, I seldom watch TV in the morning. Next, I always have breakfast. Next, I sometimes sing songs at parties. Then, I am never late for school. So likewise you have to fill in your book. Next one is exercise D. Fill in the blanks by making proper adverbs, and then make adverbs by adding ly to the given word. So already words are given here. For example, see the first one, she stopped, sudden is written here, so we will put ly, suddenly, and short her arrow. She cared dearly for her mother. He plays extremely well. She quickly delivered pizza. Next, she willingly sang for her audience. Next, he hardly noticed when the movie ended. Next, she smiles sweetly at the camera. Next, she swiftly dusted the furniture. So, likewise, you have to fill in your book. In the next video, I'll be giving you lesson number 25. So, student, complete your work and keep studying.